Hello, this is Tanya. I have a Tonic Craft Kit number 38 unboxing to share with you. I just love Tonic and I love their kits, so I would like to share with you what I received. This is the kit, and this is Tonic Craft Kit number 38. It's called Floral Wallet Gift and Stamp Set. So here we go. First, we will start with the floral gift wallet and die set. So when they send the die sets, they usually put them in these folders. And here is the floral gift wallet. And then here is the second set. Very cool. Can't wait to make these. It's very pretty. And then here is the stamps. Here, let's do it this way. Here are the stamps. It's a little something, treat yourself. Hey birthday boy, hey birthday girl. You can't buy happiness. You deserve this, without plastic. Well done, for someone special. Very cool. All right, and the next item we have is the cardstock. Get that back in here. The next item we have is the cardstock, and that is Classic Card Spearmint Green, Classic Card Amber Yellow, Classic Card, Iridescent Mirror Card Water Sprite. Wow, beautiful, beautiful colors. And then I have Pearlescent Card Blue Frost, oh wait, nope, that one ahead. Mirror Card Frosted Silver. Very cool. And then I have Pearlescent Card Blue Frost. Very pretty sheen color. And then I have a Pearlescent Card Ivory Sheen. Very pretty. And then I have Specialty Card Silver Silk. Very cool. Love that. And then we have Specialty Paper Yellow Bamboo. And it does look like bamboo. Very cool. All right. And then the next thing we have a Nuvo adhesive tape runner. I have never tried their adhesive yet, so I can't wait to try that. Excuse me. Next, we have Diamond Ink Pad Metro Gray, which is this. It's a hybrid ink pad. You can use these with your Nuvo alcohol markers, watercolor. Very nice. I've tried their ink. Their ink is very, very good. And then I have Pure Sheen Glitter Enchanted Eden. And this is an exclusive color. So, struggling here. All right. Enchanted Eden Pure Sheen Glitter. Very pretty. Very pretty. Pretty green. All right, there's that. And then we have Jewel Drop. Is that this one? Yep. Jewel Drop Lemon Cello. I hope that's what that's called. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Lemon Cello. Dries translucent. Ooh, that might be different. pretty color. Definitely have to try that one. Very cool. And then we have a mini mica mist. Barrel swirl. Very cool. Very, very pretty. Don't know if you can see the color in it, but it has like an iridescent to it swirl. Iridescent swirl. Very pretty. And then we have a mini embossing powder, which is called Golden Sunflower. Get my scissors. All right. It is called Golden Sunflower Embossing Powder. Very pretty color, pretty yellow. I love sunflowers. Sunflowers are just beautiful. So that would be really, really pretty embossing powder. Super happy with this month's kit. Oh, and I forgot the sticker. And this is the sticker that we get. They send a sticker every month with the kit. It's never too late to start something new. Isn't that the truth? All right, and that is my Tonic Craft Kit number 38 unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Here is the final product of what you're supposed to make. I think they're pretty cute. It's a gift wallet. I can't wait to make them. They look awesome. All right. That is my Tonic Craft Kit 38 unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.